It's Monday, time to talk technology. Our tech expert on Power Talk is Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group. Luis, welcome back.
Thank you, Mark. How are you?
Doing really well. We have a great story today, really interesting one, and this comes out of Microsoft, that it will now be easier, or soon be easier, to sync your PC and your phone. What's going on with this?
Yeah, so Microsoft has this little-known application called Phonelink, and it's available through the Microsoft Store. So if you have a Windows desktop, it's really easy to download and install. And what it does is it lets you link this application that's on your PC to your phone, whether it's an Android or iPhone. And now you can see all the text, all the pictures you've taken, anything that's going on your phone, you can actually see on this desktop app. So it's really handy throughout the day. If you are, let's say you're replying, you're like me and you're not really good with your thumbs, and you get a text and you want to reply with a lengthy text, you can just use your keyboard to type it out on this app, click send, and it's like it's sending it from your phone. The other nice thing about it is that you don't have to really keep track of where your phone is, because if you're sitting on your PC, as long as your phone is connected to your PC, either via Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi in your office or in your home, you can get all of this information that is on your phone on your screen. So it's really handy to have, and everybody that I've ever shown this app to really appreciates the fact that it's awesome to use it, and it's really easy and intuitive.
Does this only run on the Windows 11 platform?
It runs on Windows 10 too, so if you have a Windows 10, it'll run on that. But if you have a Mac, there's no equivalent application that I know of.
And it will also work not only with iPhones, but it will work with Androids.
Yep.
But I imagine it probably doesn't work with flip phones or Blackberries.
No. For those of you that are still using those flip phones or Blackberries, you are on your own. We can't help you there.
Well, there's some oldsters that like the flip phones with the giant buttons so they can call 911. So
I see those in the ARP magazine all the time.
Yeah, right. We both get the ARP magazine now. That's not us. Yes, it is. By the way, is this a free app from Windows?
It's a free app. I encourage you all to check it out. I think you're going to, if you are actively using your phones all day long, this is a really good way to keep track of it without having necessarily to look at your phone all the time.
That's Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group. Online, alvareztg.com. At AlvarezTG is the X handle. Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-Team. That's 866-784-8326.